In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shift cells down in Google Sheets. This is a super handy skill to have, especially when you're working with spreadsheets and need to make room for new data. Whether you're updating information or correcting entries, this process will help you manage your data more efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Google Sheets document where you want to make the changes. Make sure you have your sheet ready because we'll be jumping right into action. Once you have your sheet open, you'll need to decide which cells you want to shift down. To do this, click and drag over the cells you wish to shift. It's important to highlight the exact range you want to move to ensure your data remains organized. With the cells highlighted, head up to the menu bar and click on Insert. This is a crucial step because inserting is aligned with shifting cells around without losing any data. When you click Insert, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you various options. What you want to do now is select Row Above or Row Below, depending on where you need the shift. But in our case, since we want to shift cells down, you should choose Row Below. By selecting Row Below, you are instructing Google Sheets to create a new, blank row right underneath your selected range of cells. This is the key move. It's this action that moves your original data downwards, making room for any new information you might want to add above it. Now, as you insert the new row, you'll see your selected range move down along with any data it contained. It's swift and efficient. If you have additional data underneath that needs to move down as well, ensure you've selected everything you want, shifted before you hit that Insert button. There you have it. Your cells are now successfully shifted down in your Google Sheets. This technique is really useful in many scenarios. For instance, when you need to add a new category or entry to your data, shifting cells down maintains the integrity of your entire dataset. To wrap up, let me give you a quick pro tip. If you're dealing with a large dataset and want to shift down multiple rows, simply select more than one row initially and follow the same steps. Google Sheets will adjust all selected rows at once, saving you time and effort. I hope you found this guide on how to shift cells down in Google Sheets easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Google Sheets and other productivity tools. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.